Yo, what's up? Welcome back to yet another reaction. Muli Bwanji, Inentilibuino, Palibevuto. How do you say it's cold in Chichewa? Let me know in the comment section. How do I say it is very cold? Like freezing cold, like snowing cold. Do you have the word for snow in Chichewa? I don't know. Let me know in the comment section. Because then if I learn that word, I can go on TikTok in Chichewa TikTok lives and they'll be like, hey, Muli Bwanji, and they're like, oh, what. Then I'm like, yeah, it's very cold. And then they think, oh my goodness, it's one of us. And then I'm like, sorry, Ndimacho Gera Kubo Tswana. Anyway, it's in Alangandi TT. Dimanka Kuno Ndimacho Gera Kubo Tswana. If you're here for the first time, hit that subscribe button, hit that notification bell too so you don't miss any of the uploads on this channel. A lot of people suggested this song actually. By a lot of people, I mean 3 people. Okay, that's a lot. For 3 people to suggest the same song, I was like, okay, let's check it out. Loiso, Liva. That's the name of the song. Last night. It slaps.
I know you wanna fall in love, I know. You cannot have enough, and you are meant to love. You just be doing your job to it. Last time you owe our Liva apology. Ask it before you fall for somebody.
Wow. She just left like that. That's yo. Hey, Mujolo in Malawi. I think Mujolo in Africa is the same, guys. I feel like you have nowhere to run, so don't overthink it. But I mean, I kind of made it out, but one day I'll be able to tell you guys stories. But yeah, hey.
Oh, for somebody. Can we see now? Sit down, last night, until I'm gonna you owe our Liva apology. Ask it before you fall for somebody. I don't need no medication just to sleep. And when I get home, I'll drink the regular. So kumbazanti mawanga. When I start broken, zikuzunzi saliva. Can never find love in the streets. And when I think I'm done is when you're falling in love. So kumbazanti mawanga. When it's heartbroken, zikuzunzi saliva.
I love this, man. I love this song, this whole vibe, this whole story. I love it. The video. Oh my goodness. You know what? I didn't do this today, but I feel like this one. I'm clapping for everybody. I'm also clapping for people who suggested the song. You know what I mean? Like, you guys, hey. You're lucky I don't know Chichewa properly. Otherwise I would say Zikomo and other things.
And when I think I'm done is when you're falling in love. So kumbazanti mawanga. When it's heartbroken, zikuzunzi saliva. Ba my Liva, so re my Liva. So kumbazanti mawanga. When it's heartbroken, zikuzunzi saliva. Ba my Liva, so re my Liva. So kumbazanti mawanga. When it's heartbroken, zikuzunzi saliva. You celebrate no wa win a lotto. Kunyada wa mupesa wa kwa kumaloto. Every man for himself if you don't know. Azakusiya wake up mama ondo. And
Just
you cry,
gone.
you will cry.
Hold on.
Asking why. You're no longer together this time. Cause you just love, cause you love.
She does not stay, I think. She just like, you know, she's done with you. She's gone. That's what.
Ask it before you fall for somebody. I don't need no medication just to sleep. And when
I mean, technically he took her from somebody else, so amen.
I get home, I'll drink
The taste of your own medicine. Oh my goodness. This all right, let me take it back and then I won't stop it.
Ask it before you fall for somebody. I don't need no medication just to sleep. And when I get home, I'll drink the regular. So kumbazanti mawanga. When it's heartbroken, zikuzunzi saliva. Can never find love in the streets. And when I think I'm done is when you're falling
Liva, that's a beautiful song, man. You should go check out that song, Loiso, all the way from Malawi, right? Yeah, I don't want to misplace him. Thank you so much for watching this. We'll see you guys on the other side. If you guys want to see one of my favorite artists from South Africa, watch this next video that is coming up. Okay, I am telling you, this person, you will fall in love. Okay. I'll see you guys on the other side. Follow me.